ready to ditch the spare change jar and actually grow your money. Let's break down Acorns versus Wealthfront to see which investment app is the better fit for you. First, features. Acorns is known for its Roundups feature, automatically investing spare change from your everyday purchases. Wealthfront doesn't have Roundups, but offers more sophisticated financial planning tools like retirement projections and tax loss harvesting. Acorns Roundups are super beginner-friendly, great for those new to investing. Link your credit or debit cards and watch those pennies turn into profits. Wealthfront's tax loss harvesting can be a real game-changer for larger accounts, potentially saving you money on taxes. This is for more intermediate investors. Now, let's talk fees. Acorns charges a monthly fee, ranging from $3 to $5. Depending on the plan you choose, Wealthfront charges an annual advisory fee of 25% of your assets under management owned. This means Acorns might be cheaper for smaller accounts, but Wealthfront typically becomes more cost-effective as your portfolio grows. Investment strategies differ too. Acorns offers pre-built portfolios with varying risk levels, including options focused on socially responsible investing. Wealthfront uses sophisticated algorithms to build diversified portfolios based on your risk tolerance and financial goals, largely based on index funds. Are you a student? Acorns offers a later account for retirement and can be a good first step. Wealthfront's planning tools shine if you're looking for comprehensive financial guidance. Ultimately, the best app depends on your individual needs. Acorns is excellent for beginners with small amounts to invest, while Wealthfront is better suited for larger portfolios and those seeking more advanced planning tools. Now you're ready to make an informed decision.